Good day, everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to another video on hybridization, introduction to hybridization in organic chemistry. Please, there are three kinds of hybridization in organic chemistry, which is the SP, we have the sp2, and the sp3. These are the three major types of hybridization in organic chemistry. So please, for all of us who are not really that conversant with hybridization, I'm going to explain how we came about with these the SP, the sp2, and the sp3. First of all, as long as you are talking about organic chemistry, the first thing that will come to your mind is what? Is carbon. And carbon has the electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, and 2p what? 2. So this is the electronic configuration of what? Of carbon. If I want to draw this, I will draw something like this. Something like this. And p orbital has 3 degeneracy. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. Here is 1. Here is 1. So this is a ground state. This is the ground state electronic configuration. So let me show you, before you can hybridize, there is need for you to get to the excited state. And the excited state is usually between these two orbitals. Why? This is one energy level, it is lower energy level. This is the same energy level. The same energy level. This is the second energy level. This is also the second energy level, which is the second chair. So for the excited state, like what I will always explain, there's a stage you will get to whereby, for example, I always give this example to my students. For example, if your dad always give you 100 naira every day or any amount every day, and this particular price, your dad said, this 1,000 I'm giving to you every day is too small. Take this 1 million naira. Tomorrow I'm going to give you another 1 million naira. I'm going to increase it every day, every day, every day, and make sure you spend this 1 million naira. If you are a type that maybe do pay transport, maybe to your workplace or to classes and the rest, when you get to the place, instead of you to give the person maybe his normal 500 naira, you are going to give the person 1,000 naira. Why? Because you are in your excited state. And once the person say, okay, sir, take your change, you say, no, don't worry, keep the change. So as long as you have got to a stage of you telling people to keep the change, you are already in your excited state. So excited state means you have been promoted from one energy level to a higher energy level. So what will happen here is that here will be one of these electrons is going to jump from this energy level to a higher energy level. So we are going to have something like this. That means these two, look at them here, and this one have jumped from this s orbital to the what? To the p orbital. I don't know if you still understand me. So just for you to jump from here to what? To here. That is the excited state of what? Of carbon. So now, when one of these s orbital, this is one electron here, the s orbital blend with one here, we have sp2. So how many unhybridized orbital do we have here? We have 2. So we have 2 unhybridized orbital. So, sorry, one s orbital blend with one s, we have sp, because here is 1, here is 1. So we have 2 unhybridized. Then when one of the s blend with 2 here, it's going to give us sp2. And how many unhybridized do you have there? 1 what? Unhybridized. Unhybridized. And when this one blend with 3, we are going to have what? sp3. And this sp3, how many unhybridized do you have? The answer is what? 0 unhybridized. So like what I said, 1, 1, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 3. But at the end of the day, you cannot get 1, 2s, which is s2, p2. No, you can't get that, because this is not what we use for the hybridization. We only use the excited state for the what? For the hybridization. And this one usually has triple bond. This one has a double bond, while sp3 has what? Single bond. And because of that, we always consider this as what? Alkyne. Here is what? Your alkene, and here is your what? Your alkane. So this is something you need to take note of in hybridization of carbon. So as long as it is an alkane, the hybridization is what? Is sp3. Is an alkene, hybridization is what? sp2. While alkyne, the hybridization is what? sp. Sometimes a question will come like this: how many unhybridized orbitals do you have in alkyne? The answer is what? Is 2, because alkyne, it only uses one of the p and one of the s. So 2 of the p, they are what? Unhybridized. I don't know if you understand. So that is how you can easily write the hybridization of alkane, alkene, and what? An alkyne. So from there, this can be, this is now your, let's say, this is your S, this is your PS, PY, and what? PZ. So here will be SP, here will be what? SP. Okay, let me just put the electron here. Let me cancel this part. This is your PY, and here's your what? Your PZ. So for this one now, this 2 is the one we are working with. So this one will be hybridized. So you are going to have 3 electrons bonded together. 1 plus this 3. So we have sp2, sp2, sp2 is hybridized. Then you have one of the electron remaining, and this one is what? Your pz. So this one here, again, one of and the 3. So you have something like, so here is sp3, 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 sp3. So how many unhybridized orbitals do you have? Is what? Is nothing. So that is how you can easily do it. But take note, you have to write the electronic configuration of carbon, you have to write the ground state configuration, then for it to move on to the what? Excited state, whereby one of the electrons will be promoted from the s orbital to the what? To the p orbital, to give us 2s1, then 2p what? 3. So this is the ground excited state electronic configuration. For those persons, WAEC students at JAMB that are writing this, that are watching this particular video, a question might even come like this in your exam. Which of the following is correct for the ground state electronic configuration of carbon? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, then B, 1s2, 2s1, 2p3. Now, this one is correct for ground, while this one is correct for what? Excited. So in your exam, check very well. Are we talking about the ground state, or we are talking about the excited state? Because for the excited state, one of the electrons is usually promoted from that particular energy level to a bit higher energy level. So that is what we need to know about hybridization. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Gido Academy, and don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment in our comment section. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next episode. Please smash that subscribe button if you want more of simplified chemistry with Gido Academy. Goodbye.